Imagine having a personal assistant that never tires, never gets bored, and is always ready to help. What if this assistant isn't human, but artificial intelligence? Let's dive into the world of AI agents. These are essentially entities that perceive their environment and make decisions to maximize their chance of achieving their goals. Think of them as independent software programs that can act and react to their environment with a certain degree of autonomy. To make this concept more relatable, consider Siri or Alexa. They are AI agents that perceive their environment through your voice commands and make decisions to provide useful responses. Whether you're asking for the weather, setting a reminder, or playing your favorite song, these AI agents are continuously learning and adapting to serve you better. So in essence, AI agents are not just sci-fi concepts, but are already part of our everyday lives, making things a bit easier and a lot more interesting. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's explore more about these AI agents. Did you know that not all AI agents are created equal? In fact, there are different types based on their capabilities and functions. Let's start with the simplest one, the simple reflex agents. These are the most basic type of AI agents. They operate by directly mapping states to actions, meaning they react to specific inputs with specific outputs. Imagine a thermostat. Its only job is to maintain a set temperature. If the room gets too cold, it turns the heat on. If it's too hot, it turns the heat off. Simple, right? Next up, we have model-based reflex agents. These are a step up from simple reflex agents. They still react to their environment, but they also maintain an internal model of the world. Let's take a self-driving car as an example. It doesn't just react to the cars around it, it also keeps track of where it is, where it's going, and what obstacles it might encounter on the way. Moving on, we reach goal-based agents. These agents have a set objective and they make decisions based on reaching that goal. Let's think about a chess-playing AI. This AI doesn't just react to the opponent's moves, it plans its moves to achieve its goal, which is, of course, checkmate. Finally, we have the creme de la creme of AI agents, utility-based agents. These agents don't just have a goal, they have a measure of how desirable particular outcomes are. They're all about optimization. Consider a stock trading AI. It doesn't just aim to buy low and sell high, it evaluates the potential utility or profit of various trades and makes decisions based on maximizing that utility. So to recap, simple reflex agents react to specific inputs with specific outputs. Model-based reflex agents maintain an internal model of the world and react based on that model. Goal-based agents have a set objective and make decisions to reach that goal. Utility-based agents, on the other hand, measure the desirability of outcomes and make decisions to maximize that desirability. Each of these AI agents has its strengths and weaknesses, and each is suited to different types of tasks. Simple reflex agents are perfect for tasks with a clear input-output relationship, like the thermostat. Model-based reflex agents are great for tasks that require keeping track of the world, like self-driving cars. Goal-based agents excel in tasks with a clear objective, like playing chess. And utility-based agents are the go-to for tasks that require optimization, like stock trading. It's important to note that these are just 4 of the main types of AI agents. There are many more out there, including learning agents that improve their performance over time, and multi-agent systems where multiple AI agents work together to solve complex problems. Now that we've gotten to know the different types of AI agents, it's time to delve a bit deeper. Ever wondered how these AI agents work under the hood? Let's dive in and explore. At the core of these AI agents are complex algorithms and machine learning models. These agents don't just follow predefined rules. Instead, they make decisions based on the data they receive and the learning they undergo. It's like a toddler learning to walk. They stumble, fall, but with each step they get better. The same goes for AI agents. They learn from their mistakes, adapt, and improve their performance over time. Now, you may ask, where does this learning come from? The answer is data. Data is the fuel that powers AI agents. They analyze the data, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on these patterns. The more data they have, the better their predictions. But it's not just about quantity. The quality of data matters too. Garbage in, garbage out, as they say. If the data fed to AI agents is biased or incorrect, the decisions they make will also be flawed. So it's crucial to feed them with accurate and unbiased data. Now let's talk about the role of machine learning in AI agents. Machine learning is a subset of AI that gives agents the ability to learn from their experience. They use algorithms to build a model from sample inputs, which is then used to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning can be of different types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, AI agents are trained on a labeled dataset. In unsupervised learning, they find hidden patterns or intrinsic structures from input data. And in reinforcement learning, an agent interacts with its environment by producing actions and discovers errors or rewards. So, in essence, AI agents are not just rule-following bots. They're dynamic entities that adapt and learn from their environment, using the power of data and machine learning. It's fascinating to see how AI agents evolve and adapt, isn't it? So, what does the rise of AI agents mean for us? It's a question that's been stirring quite a buzz. The impact of AI agents is far-reaching and transformative, revolutionizing sectors from healthcare to education and entertainment. In healthcare, AI agents are streamlining processes and enhancing patient care. They can analyze large amounts of data to predict health trends, provide personalized treatment plans, and even assist in complex surgeries. The result? Increased efficiency, accuracy, and potentially saving countless lives. When we look at education, AI agents are personalizing the learning experience. They can adapt to individual learners' needs, providing customized content and pacing. This means students can learn at their own speed, with resources tailored to their unique strengths and weaknesses. In the realm of entertainment, AI agents are changing the game. They're creating hyper-realistic virtual realities, personalizing content recommendations, and even composing music. It's a new dawn of creativity, driven by artificial intelligence. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. With these advancements come potential challenges. Privacy concerns are on the rise as AI agents become more integrated into our lives. They're collecting and analyzing vast amounts of personal data, and the question of who has access to this information and how it's used is a pressing issue. Job displacement is another concern. As AI agents become more capable, there's a fear that they may replace human jobs. Yet, it's important to remember that while AI can automate repetitive tasks, it can't replicate human creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. Moreover, these challenges aren't insurmountable. With careful regulation, transparency, and a commitment to ethical AI development, we can harness the benefits of AI agents while mitigating the risks. As we can see, AI agents are more than just personal assistants. They are transforming the way we live and work. The rise of AI agents is an exciting journey, a voyage into a future where technology and human ingenuity intertwine to create a world of possibilities. We've come a long way in our exploration of AI agents. We've journeyed from understanding the fundamental concept of these agents, how they're the active entities that perceive their environment and decide on the best course of action. We've unveiled the various types of AI agents, from simple reflex agents to complex learning agents, each with their unique characteristics and functionalities. We've dived deep into the intricacies of how these agents work, their algorithms, their learning methods, and how they adapt to change. We've also touched on the significant impact they hold in our lives, their transformative power in various sectors from healthcare to finance, and the potential they possess to shape our future. As we continue to interact with these AI agents in our daily lives, it's important to understand them better. Remember, knowledge is power. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.